Hi kids!
Wow!
One, two, three, four. 4 lollipops. So colorful lollipops. Let's separate their parts.
Wow!
Light blue color, pink color. Again light blue color. And the stick is pink color. This is also pink color.
No.
This is our second lollipop. Violet color, yellow color. Again violet color. Do you like to eat lollipop, kids? Third lollipop, light green color, yellow color. What flavor do you like most, kids? My favorite flavor is orange. Our last lollipop, fourth lollipop, light pink color, light green color, again light pink. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will join their parts again. No.
Hiya! Wow!
Now keep it aside. Let's join the second one.
Hiya!
Our last lollipop. Do you enjoy it, kids?
No.
Today we will learn numbers. Let's learn colors. Orange color, blue color, green color, purple color, sky blue color, light green color. Our next color is pink color, yellow color, and the last one is red color, my favorite color. Let's write numbers. Purple color. 1, 11. 1, 11. Orange color. 1, 2, 12. 1 to 12. Green color. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Our next color is red. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Blue color. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Yellow color. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. Light green color. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. Pink color. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Next color is sky blue. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. Our last color pen is red color. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Now say with me kids. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bye bye kids, keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.